Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use the Blue Biome Interactive Map. You can switch the map view between 3 dimensions and 2 dimensions using the view toggle on the top right corner. Use the zoom buttons on the upper left corner of the map to zoom in and out. Map layers can be activated or deactivated at any time, depending on what you want to explore. Click directly on map features to discover additional information and visual content. You can always adjust the zoom level or drag the map to view images and features more clearly. Use the filters to explore different topics and select among multiple datasets for each topic. You can also enter full screen mode for a more immersive exploration. Once selected, you are ready to explore the newly activated layers on the map. If needed, you can hide or show the Layers panel to improve clarity and focus. You can also reset the map to its original view or exit full screen mode at any time. Now let me show you an example in 3D, where we will select a global sea surface chlorophyll layer provided by NASA. As you move your cursor across the map, notice how latitude, longitude, depth, and chlorophyll values update in real time. You can also rotate the planet freely if you wish. Let's now explore other available map perspectives. And here, we return to the spherical view of the Earth. Below the map, you will find additional descriptions and explanations for each active layer. Finally, let's explore the marine species layers, organized by their role in different levels of the marine food web. You are now ready to explore marine ecosystems, ocean processes, and species interactions using the Blue Biome Interactive Map.